In this video, we're going to take a look at how quickly you can get REST data into App Builder. Step one is going to introduce you to a tool called xl2json.io, which will allow us to upload an Excel file and then give us a cloud-based REST URL that we can consume inside of App Builder. Then inside the App Builder, we're going to use the data pane to add our REST API with the share link from the cloud. And then finally, you will see how to bind data to a grid in App Builder. To get started, we're going to upload an Excel file to xl2json.io. This makes it so simple for you to use real data or test data to create a REST API that can be consumed by the App Builder. So within seconds, I've uploaded an Excel file, and now you can see on the right pane, I have my JSON definition of the same data. This is great because you may have a schema that you have fake data with, or you may have real data in like a server that you exported and you want to use in your application to do a prototype or just to start kicking off your development process. So once I have this, I can either download the JSON or get a link. I'm going to click Get Link, and it creates a shareable link. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go over to App Builder. So I already have an application started in App Builder. This is an empty screen, no layout. And the first step that I'm going to do is click over to our Data tab, click the plus sign, select REST API, and I'm going to name my data source. We'll call this financial data. And I'm going to add the URL that I copied from my share from xl2json.io. Click Done. Once I do that, you'll notice in the left pane we have financial data. It says incomplete because I need to select some data here. I'm going to select all of the fields. When you import a REST API or JSON, if it doesn't understand from the schema what the data type is, we'll give you a little warning. You can go ahead and modify the field types if you'd like. And I'm going to just change this to fin table. And there we go. I'll click Done. So now in the left pane, I've got my financial data with my fin table. All of the fields are there. There was like 45 fields in this guy, 2,500 rows. Now to make sure everything works, let's go to our toolbox. We'll look for a grid. I'll drag the grid onto the form, make it a little bit bigger, and you'll notice we have the data option here on the properties editor. Let's go to financial data, fin table. I can also set a primary key if I want to do editing, and you'll see just like that, we have added a REST API with JSON data from an Excel file into App Builder in less than a minute. To get more great videos like this to learn how to use the App Builder and other Infragistics tools, click the subscribe button to get a notification when we post new content.